Hello, good day. So let's talk about probability. By definition, when we say probability, it is a mathematical term used to talk about the likelihood of something happening. Ito yung tsansa na magaganap ang isang bagay, event, or pangyayari. And it is the ability to understand and predict an outcome. We generally use probability para maintindihan yung mundo na ginagalawan natin. For us to judge what is likely to happen and what isn't likely to happen. Real life can be chaotic and lots of things happen that don't seem to make any sense. You can always know what's going to happen. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung mangyayari. But you can do your best with the help of mathematics para malaman kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari so you can make sound decisions every day. Probability. So everything from a coin flip to the weather can be predicted by probability. So pwede nating malaman kung ano ang pwedeng kahahantungan pag nagbato tayo ng isang coin. Either head ba yung maglaland or tail yung maglaland when we toss a coin. So about the weather naman, so di ba pino-forecast kung ano yung tsansa or porsyento or that is the probability na pwedeng umulan or umaraw sa ngayong araw. So we express mathematical probability in terms of fractions and percentages. So here in my PowerPoint presentation, gagamit lamang ako ng fractions for the probability. So aside from this, pwede natin gamitin yung probability para malaman kung ano yung porsyento na magkakajuwa ka. Char. So once na malaman natin kung ano yung probability ng isang bagay, we usually classify it as follow. So una, it's certain. Ibig sabihin, na yung tsansa na magaganap is 100% na mangyayari. This is a probability of 100%, which is the highest possible likelihood of something happening. 100% na mangyayari ang isang bagay. Second is it's likely, and the probability is nasa pagitan ng 50% and 100%. We have also, there's an even chance. So, wala siya dito sa PowerPoint presentation. So, pag sinabi natin, there's an even chance, ibig sabihin, 50 yung pwedeng kalalabasan. 50% yung pwedeng kalalabasan. For example, ano yung probability na manganganak ang isang tao ng batang lalaki? So, that is 50%. Kasi yung pwedeng ipapanganak ng tao is either lalaki or babae. So, that is 50%. There's an even chance. So that is an even chance. We have also it's unlikely. So in it's likely naman, yung probability ay nasa pagitan ng 0% to 50%. So medyo mababa yung porsyento. And the last is it's impossible. That is 0%. So 0 yung tsansa na magaganap yung ganong event or yung ganong bagay. Let's say, for example, a die is rolled, find the probability that an even number is obtained. So here, to solve for the probability of this die, by the way, die here is singular. Pag marami pa tayo, more than one, tawag po natin doon is dice. So we have one die, and we have two dice. Okay? Again, we have a die being rolled. Hahanapin natin yung probability na magkakaroon tayo ng even number, okay, when we rolled the die. So to solve the probability, we need to find the sample space. So yung sample space natin, ano yung mga posibilidad na pwedeng mangyari? Okay? So here, our event is rolling a die. So pag nag-roll ba tayo ng die, ano yung mga pwedeng kalalabasan? Ito yung magiging sample space natin. And these are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, 6 lamang po yung surface area ng die natin because a die is a cube na merong 6 lateral surfaces. So, we have 6 dots in total. So, ito yung mga sample space natin, yung pwedeng kalalabasan pag nag-roll tayo ng die. Next is an event. Ano naman yung kukunin natin? Or ano naman yung hahanapin natin? It's just we need to find the probability that an even number is obtained. So, ibig sabihin, even number, yung hinahanap natin. So, ano yung mga even number na nasa die? So, we have 2, 4, and 6. In our sample space, we have 6 total sample spaces, and we have 3 events. Now, to find the probability, the formula is simply P of E, that is probability of an event, is equal to the number of events over the number of sample space. So, alam natin na meron tayong 3 events. So, we have 3 over, and we have 6 sample spaces. That is 3 over 6. And simplify, the answer is 1/2. That means the probability that an even number is obtained when rolling a die is 1/2, or that is 50%. Next example. 2 coins are tossed. Find the probability that 2 heads are obtained. So here naman, magtutoss tayo ng 2 barya. Aalamin natin kung ano yung tsansa na makakakuha tayo ng 2 heads. So let's jot down the sample spaces. So ano yung mga pwedeng kalalabasan pag nag-toss tayo ng 2 coins? Okay, recall that in a coin, meron dalawang maaaring maganap lang. Maglalanding yung head or maglalanding yung tail. Okay, so we have only head and tail na pwedeng kalalabasan. Since we have 2 coins being tossed, so these are our sample spaces. Pwedeng sa first coin, head yung kalalabasan. Second coin, we have the tail. We have also the head, first head, second head. We have first tail, second head, and we have first tail, second tail. So these are the sample spaces. Meron tayong 4 na sample spaces lamang. And we have the events. Ano yung kukunin natin? We need to find the probability that 2 heads are obtained. So 2 ulo lamang ang hahanapin natin. Thus, E is equal to HH. So meron tayong isang event lamang, and we have 4 sample spaces. To find the probability, again, kailangan na natin i-divide yung number of events by the number of sample spaces. Again, how many events do we have? Isa. And how many sample spaces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Hence, probability that 2 heads are obtained is equal to 1/4, or that is 25%. Another example, a die is rolled and a coin is tossed. Find the probability that the die shows an odd number and the coin shows a head. So what is the sample space natin here? Since we are rolling a die and tossing a coin, 2 yung pwedeng kalalabasan. Una, pwedeng number yung ikalalabas when we rolled a die, that is 1 to 6, and either head or tail when we tossing a coin. So our sample spaces are as follow. Pwedeng 1 sa unang rolling ng die, then head naman yung pwedeng kalalabasan sa coin. We have also number 2 in die and head in coin. We have 3H, 4H, 5 head, 6 head. We have also 1 tail, 2 tail, 3 tail, 4 tail, 5 tail, and 6 tails. So in total, we have 12 sample spaces. Okay, so ito yung mga pwedeng kalalabasan when we roll a die and toss a coin. So ano yung magiging event natin? It says here that we need to find an odd number of a die and a head of a coin. So kukunin lamang natin yung kalalabasan, which is odd number, pagdating sa rolling ng die, and head naman pagdating sa tossing of a coin. Thus, our events are as follows. We have 1 head, 3 head, and 4 head. So 1, 3, and 5 are odd numbers of a die, and we have H ahead of a coin. So these are our events. How many events do we have? We have 3. To find the probability that the die shows an odd number and the coin shows a head is, so we have, again, number of events natin, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 over the number of sample spaces, which is 12. And we need to simplify 3 over 12 or 1/4. Thus, the probability that the die shows an odd number when rolling and the coin shows a head when tossing is 1/4, or that is 25%. Next, a card is drawn at random from a deck of cards. Find the probability of getting the 3 of diamonds. So here naman, our event is drawing a card, okay, from a random deck of cards. So what is our sample space here? So to those students na hindi alam kung ano yung nilalaman ng deck of cards, we have ito. We have ace of diamond, ace of a spade, ace of club, and ace of heart. We have 2 to 10 diamonds, 2 to 10 spades, 2 to 10 clubs, 2 to 10 hearts. We have also faces card or face cards na binubuo ng jack of diamond, a jack of spade, a jack of club, a jack of heart. And we have also queens, and we have also kings. So in diamonds, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 diamonds. We have also 13 spades. We have 13 clubs, and we have 13 hearts, with a total of 52 cards in a deck of cards. So meron po tayong 52 na mga baraha sa isang deck of cards. So these are our sample spaces. Now the event is hahanapin natin yung 3 of diamond. So from the sample space na meron tayo, we have only 1 3 of diamond. Thus, our event is only 3 of diamond, which is isa lang. Yung sample spaces natin again is 52, while our event is only 1. That is 3 of diamond. So to find the probability na lalabas yung 3 of diamond, there is simply divide the number of event by the number of sample spaces. So in the number of events na meron tayo, isa lang yung 3 of diamonds, and we have 52 cards in a deck of cards. That means the probability of getting the 3 of diamond in a deck of cards is 1 over 52. So medyo maliit yung porsyento na makukuha natin yung 3 of diamonds in a deck of cards. Another one, same event, but we need to find the probability na makakuha tayo ng queen. Same sample space, we have 52 in total, and our event is, kukunin natin yung queens. So from the sample spaces do we have, ilan yung queens natin? We have queen of diamond, queen of spade, queen of club, and queen of heart. A total of 4 queens in a deck of cards. So our event is equal to 4 queens. Again, ano-ano yung apat na to? For a queen of diamond, queen of spade, queen of club, and queen of heart. So apat po yung event natin. So para makuha yung probability na makakakuha tayo ng queen is simply 4 over 52. Apat sa 52 na mga baraha ang pwedeng maging tsansa na makakuha tayo ng queen. So we need to simplify this one. That is also equal to 1 over 13. So 1 out of 13 yung tsansa or probability na makakuha tayo ng queen. Okay? In our event. Okay, for the last question, to those students or learners na may sagot about this one, pakisagot po sa ating comment section. Okay? Tingnan natin kung sino yung makakatama nito. Okay, with explanation provided. The question is, ano ang probability or tsansa na magkakajowa ka ngayong Pasko? Ipaliwanag. Okay? Okay, see you on my next video.